indicate left. Okay, to the left, let's go, it's green. So they did a special version of this, it's called 488 Pista, and the 488 Pista is 720 horsepower, okay? Yes. Be patient 2 minutes, then we are outside. The next to the right, this one replaced the 458. The 458, it's a naturally aspirated, this is twin turbo. Okay, we indicate to the right, please. Very good, right? Yeah, please. Really good. Straight ahead. Okay. At the end, we stay a little bit at the side, okay? Little kick and loose. After 3. Yeah. Wait. After 3-4 RPM, the turbo kicks in and the car gives you a lot of power. This is the factory, 2,300 workers here, 700 in the race division. Then we have 2 museums. One museum straight is in Modena. It's more about the history of Enzo Ferrari. This one is more, it has a bigger collection of cars. Formula 1 is a little bit at the side. We watch, okay? And we pull second, left pedal shift. With the left pedal shift, okay, good. Try the horn really quick. The horn is here. Try. Okay, straight and plus. Okay, loose and plus. Are you a Ferrari fan?
I am very big Ferrari fan.
Oh, okay. The end to the right. The end, at the end. This at the end. Really good. Okay. Minus. And we arrive roundabout. We stop. Not first, second exit to the right. Okay. Parking lot, we also have a 12-cylinder 4-wheel drive. It's called GTC Veloso. And the Speciale, it's really nice too. Straight. At the here we stop, we watch. Not first, second exit. Okay. Okay, to the left. Left, and to the right. Go right, to the right. Right. Really good. Now we stay on the right side and we watch please mirror left. And you keep always 2 hands like this. Really good. Good driver. Stay on the side. One moment. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, keep distance. We brake a little bit. Brake. We need a gap. One moment. Minus, and let's go. Okay. Brake. Push the brake. We need space now. Space because we have traffic. 1, 2, 3. Let me brake in time. Nice sound.
That's the best radio I have ever had.
Okay, in 300 meters we have speed camera 65, please. So here around they produce other type of vehicles, Maseratis and Modena, Lamborghini, Sant'Agata, Pagani, San Cesario, it's all here around, let's say. This is speed camera.
Pagani is also here?
Yeah, it's San Cesario. Okay, we go right, we go all the roundabout and back.
I thought it could be hard to drive slowly these cars, but it's
it's really relaxing. Until 3,000-4,000 the car it's calm.
Yeah.
If you want power, first gear automatic.
It increases itself automatically.
All
to
around,
seven.
yeah, exactly. All around and back. Okay, now. Left. We go, we have right away. We go left. Go. Left. To the right. And straight. Okay?
Should I floor it?
Okay, mirror. And 200 meters, 65 again. Then we have the half hour is nice if you go on the hills, 1 hour in the mountains, racetrack. It's a little bit higher price, but you have more emotion.
I would really like to attend them, but I have limited time and
yeah,
I
of
have
course.
limited budget,
Okay.
so-
Yeah, no problem.
Actually, I would like to drive 458
Yeah.
because it has no turbo.
Yeah. Speciale, you said, yeah, it was not available. 2 gears down. You brake in time, please, okay? Keep distance.
I have never seen anything worth that much.
Anything
Anything
that's worth.
that's worth a lot.
Yeah. It's something, let's say, new for somebody. Be careful of the white car. If somebody never have driven a Ferrari, it's emotion. Okay, straight. Let's go. Straight. Okay, and we indicate to the right at 200 meter. Okay, and we go up.
From here.
Go up. And when we're up, you watch mirror left, please. Okay? He wanted to try his lancia, I see. Okay, we watch, please, mirror left. You're a good driver. You watch mirror left, you go down, all around the back.
So easy. After that one.
Yep, if you can. Okay, to the right. All around, full and over the bridge again. Okay, right. Okay, all around. Indicate left so they know we go round. Okay, roundabout. Left. Left. And to the right. We cross the bridge. Okay, right. Straight, this, and then stop.
You are very good at directions.
I need to survive.
No, I mean in Turkish.
Ah, okay.
So.
Thank you. Yeah, I was forced to learn also Chinese, Russian, because if we don't speak, it's a problem with it, right? That's the wind gallery, and there is the factory, right? To the right?
Right.
Yeah, right. Right? Right? And to the left. Okay, straight, at the end to the left. Really good. At the end, we slow down, they cut the corner, straight. Really good. Okay, there, Yavash. They come inside. Imagine the pista, 50 horsepower more, huh? They cut,
And
you see,
that's
they cut
much.
like. See? That's much, sorry?
That is much enough for me.
Yeah, of course. For the first time,
For
it's
the first time.
Then you have to be careful of that car. This one 360, you will like it. Let me see if he sees us. On and straight. At the end of the street, to the left.
Okay.
And these are the workers. They probably built this car. And at the end, stop and to the left. Ah, she was watching it.
To the left, right?
Yeah. First we stop.
Oh, it's jammed.
Yeah, but maybe they let us pass.
Because it's Ferrari and it's
No, it's
Italy.
this time. Yeah, but they're used to it. They don't care that it's a Ferrari. But we see if we find gentlemen. A little bit forward. Okay, 1 meter more. Okay, just 1 second.
Tell me when to across.
Yeah. Let them go, then we come a little bit forward. Anyway, it's red, so maybe they let us pass. So we let just this car go by.
Oh my, such a life.
Yeah.
Such a life.
Yeah, and these are really limited editions. Okay, he's turning here, you see? So we see if we find a hole. Okay, a little bit forward. A moment. Okay. Okay, so it's okay, right?
My back side is a little bit outside, but
No, it's okay. It's okay. This, yes. Okay. Straight ahead. Then we stop. This is really famous restaurant. It's called Cavallino.
really?
Yeah, this
What
one.
they offer?
Enzo Ferrari came to eat here. They have traditional food. This is the old entrance.
To the factory.
Yeah, and that one is Enzo Ferrari Street. It goes all the way down. At the other side, we have the Wind Gallery, and that's the red building is Formula One.
Yeah, Formula 1 division.
Yeah.
Scuderia Ferrari.
Exactly. Did you see Monza?
See, I was at there this weekend.
You saw it live?
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
I visit every corner, Ascari,
Wow,
Monaco.
beautiful. Wow, you're a big fan, huh?
Yeah, I'm big fan. Like I'm watching Formula 1 from 2003.
Oh, okay. Oof. It's sad. We should win, but yeah, next time.
Do you drive those Ferraris sometime?
Yeah, well, all the time. Somebody,
check the conditions.
if somebody doesn't have a driving license, we drive. Alright? They are passengers, and we drive. Is that right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, good. We watch, please. There's somebody standing. Then we arrive crossing, stop, and then left. Okay, stop, and left. Okay, left. Okay, we arrive at the crossing, and the crossing we stop. Then
Should I stop at?
yeah, at the crossing. You come just a little bit forward, so we have better view, okay?
Yeah, I saw the street now. I just saw the sign before. That's why I asked.
Okay. We watch left and right, a little bit forward. One moment. Okay. Straight. And to the left up. To the left, and we park all to the right. Okay. To the right, to the right. Next the system. Okay, right? And I help you with the reverse. Come. Stop, brake. Okay, good. We watch mirror and camera and finish. Okay? Come. Brake. And we go like this and it's really good. Brake, okay, now. Really good. So we turn it a bit more, right? Give gas, give gas, come back, yes, we go more or less. Come, gas, give gas. No, give gas, come, gas, gas. Come.
Oh, to the back?
Yeah, come, we go more left through the doors, you know, stop, brake. Other brake, okay, there, and there. Because when we open, it scratches.
Okay, I got it.
That's perfect. 1 and 2. A little bit forward, and stop. Really good. Awesome. Perfect. Very good.
What was your name, by the way?
Davis.
I don't